Hey YouTube, today we're gonna make some sweet potato pork chili, and that is some spare ribs that I chopped up into small pieces. We're gonna use some carrots, that is the sweet potato right there. We're gonna use some cannellini beans, if I'm pronouncing that right. We got onion, some garlic, and that is a can of tomatoes. We're gonna season it with some sea salt, some smoked paprika, some chili powder, and some pepper. And we're gonna use some chicken broth. Okay, so let's get started. What I've already started to do was to chop up the sweet potato into small pieces. You don't have to be perfect, just make them small cubes. With the garlic, you want about 3 cloves of garlic. So I'm just gonna put it in a food processor. This is just a small chopper. So we just wanna chop it into really small pieces. If you want to, you can slice it into small pieces, but this is what I'm gonna do. Now we're gonna take 1 medium onion and chop it up into small pieces. With the carrots, I'm not gonna use a lot, just a little bit, but I wanna cut them up into small pieces, which I did right here. The bowl combined with the sweet potato and the garlic and onions. We wanna cook this down, not fully, completely cooked, just to give it a little bit of brownness on the outside. Now with the meat, we wanna cook the meat with the seasonings that I told you in the beginning of the video. So we just add that right now, and we're gonna brown the meat all around in the pan. So we're not really gonna cook the meat all the way through, we're just making it brown on the outside, because once I put it in the pot for the chili to be all cooked and fused together, it's gonna cook itself down. So we have 3/4, I believe it's 3/4 to 1 cup of the chicken broth, and we're gonna want to bring that to a boil. Add in the mixture with the carrots, sweet potato, onions, and garlic. Put the meat in. Tomatoes, you can get any kind of tomatoes. You can use fresh tomatoes. You can use chopped tomatoes that's in a can. It's up to you, whatever you want to do. So with the cannellini beans, you want to drain the liquid out and wash it thoroughly. We're gonna put it in the pot. We're gonna put the top on. We're gonna put it on low heat and cook it for about 45 minutes to an hour. This is what it looks like after it's done. But I'm not satisfied. So what I did was add another can of beans. So this is what it looks like. And I'm telling you guys, this was really good. It was good. This was good. Alright, anyway. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe. If you guys make this, let me know how yours turned out, and I will see you guys next video.